Elon Musk is the world's richest man, so you might be asking yourself, what techniques did he use to get there? Today, I'm going to show you the leadership traits of one of the world's most successful executives. I'll also share one Elon Musk trait you won't want to copy. Let's do this. My name is Jamie Turner. You may have read one of my books or seen me on TV, but the number one thing I love to do is help people like you discover a better version of themselves. Elon Musk had a difficult childhood in South Africa where he was bullied at school and, unfortunately, bullied by his father at home. Eventually, he made his way to the US where he launched his first company, Zip2 Corporation, in 1995 with his brother, Kimball Musk. In 1999, a division of Compaq Computer bought Zip2 for $341 million. Elon and his brother used that money to create what would eventually become PayPal, which was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion. $1.5 billion. It's not enough to live on, but it's a start. Musk founded his third company, SpaceX, in 2002 with the intention of building spacecraft for commercial space travel. In 2003, he founded Tesla, and in 2004, he found enough time to take a nap. In 2008, Tesla announced plans for its Model S, the company's first electric sedan that was reportedly meant to take on the BMW 5 Series. In 2017, Tesla announced that it surpassed General Motors to become the most valuable U.S. car maker. That same year, Musk launched The Boring Company, a company that builds tunnels to reduce street traffic. Over the years, Musk has become famous for some of his unfiltered tweets, ranging from this one about a love affair or lack of one with Bill Gates. The rumor that Bill Gates and I are lovers is completely untrue. To this one, which made him the first CEO ever to attempt to reduce their stock price. Tesla stock price is too high, in my opinion. Dude, I just lost $10,000 because of this tweet. What the fuck is wrong with you? So, what are the Elon Musk traits you can use to improve your leadership skills? Trait number one, turn negatives into positives. Musk had a very, very difficult childhood, but he hasn't let his past experiences inhibit his future success. In fact, he's funneled the negative energy from his childhood into the positive outcomes he has today. Trait number two, embrace failure. Not long ago, Musk said there's a silly notion that failure is not an option at NASA. Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you're not innovating enough. Musk understands that you learn more from your failures than you do from your successes. Trait number three, glass half full mentality. Musk once said, I'd rather be optimistic and wrong than pessimistic and right. You have two choices in life, to see the world as a pessimist or to see the world as an optimist. Musk has chosen optimism. You should too. Trait number four, embrace your differences. If you take a deep dive into Musk and his mental framework, you eventually realize one thing: this guy is different. But rather than be held back by his differences, Musk has embraced them. That option is available to you too, if you choose. Trait number five, he's paid for his brain, not his hands. In my Unspoken Rules of Leadership ebook, which is available by clicking the link in the description below, I say that some people get paid for their brains and others get paid for their handiwork. If you can get paid for what you know the way Elon Musk does, you can scale your influence by hiring others to do the hard stuff. And finally, the Elon Musk trait you want to avoid. Trait number six, lack of balance. Musk is a unique character who seems to be energized by work, but not all of us are that way. We need to recharge our batteries. So avoid being a workaholic. Instead, give yourself some balance and perspective. If you'd like to download my free ebook titled The Unspoken Rules of Leadership, just click the link in the description below and click here to watch another video like this one. And can you do me a favor? Hit the like button and subscribe, which lets YouTube know that you appreciated this video. My name is Jamie Turner. I'm an author, a professor, and a speaker, and I'll catch you next time.